Hi, I'm Jonathan Rosenfeld. Today I want to talk with you about the most common type of personal injury question that I get on a regular basis. Here in Chicago, I operate Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, where we represent people who've been seriously injured or killed in all different types of personal injury, medical malpractice, and nursing home cases. Now, regardless of the case type, the main question that we get consistently from our clients is how much is my case worth? And the truth is that I can't answer that question without knowing the specifics of your case and the specifics of your injuries. Now, there's tons of information out there about case values, about lawyers who may have settled or tried a particular case that may seem very similar to yours. In fact, there's a lot of information online about personal injury calculators that may have some type of formula where you can plug in information which can give you an idea as to the value of your case. Now, these tools may be a little bit illustrative, and in fact, they're frequently used for marketing by personal injury firms, but they really don't have any direct relationship to the outcome of your case. My job as an attorney who represents injured people is to get you as much money as possible for your particular case. I don't use a formula. I don't use a calculator. I look at the individual circumstance related to your case, and I try to get you as much money as I can, either by settlement or by trial. Now, in Illinois, we have basically two types of compensation for a personal injury case. The first type is called economic damages. Economic damages is related to the hard damages related to your case. The hard numbers that you may sustain after an accident, the out-of-pocket expenses that you have for your medical bills, for your past and future medical treatment, the out-of-pocket expense that you may have when you're unable to work related to your injuries. And this goes past and future as well. The property damages that you may have sustained related to your injuries. These are hard numbers which ultimately play out in your damages. The second aspect, and this is really the most important part of your case, is your non-economic damages, the intangible pain and suffering that you may have sustained in your accident. And this is really where an experienced personal injury lawyer can go from taking a case that may be worth something like this to something like that. And that's really what we try to focus on, is how to maximize those non-economic damages and convey that to a jury or to an insurance adjuster in order to get you the maximum compensation. So the next time an attorney says to you, hey, your case is worth X amount of dollars, I would tell them, you know what, no thank you, I'm going to talk to Rosenfeld.